Hello all, and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this is the second video I'm trying to get done today. Hopefully I can get it on here. Let's see how that goes. We're doing an experiment with epoxy today. So let me explain. So lately I've been trying some epoxy experiments with eyeshadow and dip powder. Works with both, right? So if you have a question in your mind whether you should spend all the money that they're asking for the pigmentation powder or just use a cheap eyeshadow palette, now you know. Cheap eyeshadow palette. I'm going to make a video soon showing the difference because honestly, like, I don't really see one, guys. Like, it really worked well. I was shocked over the results. I'm flabbergasted and absolutely love it. And so far, even seeing when it's set and everything, it looks wonderful. So I don't know, but it got the wheels turning in my brain and starting to think, what else can I do with this epoxy? So after careful consideration, I have made up an experiment where I have the resin. We are going to try it with wet nail polish in a crystal mold and see what comes up and what happens with this creation. So, can we use wet nail polish and epoxy together, and will this idea work? Let's find out. To say real quick, does this not remind you of pink slime that was on Ghostbusters? Not the newer one, the older stuff. Let me just, okay, tell me this doesn't look like pink slime, straight up. I just had to point that out. That was getting me.
Piece of slime! You ignorant, disgusting blob!
You're nothing but an unstable short-chain molecule!
You foul, obnoxious mob!
I just had to show this with light because the sparkles in this, it won't even catch it. It's gorgeous though. I can't believe this worked. I honestly didn't think that it was going to set. And there are a few pieces, I pulled it a bit too soon. So there were a few pieces that broke off that I was able to mend back in there. But I am trying to give my best. That's what I can do. That looks so cool though. Wow. Okay, I am late for things that I'm supposed to be doing today. Oh my goodness, but I was having way too much fun with this. I cannot believe nail polish works, you guys. 100% wear a ventilator, because when I took that off for a second, I was like, whoa, like it really, the smell really hit me. So yeah, no, 100% make sure to wear a ventilator. Don't do that shit without a mask for sure. Okay. I gotta hurry. I'm like, rush. But no, it's solid. It's not flexible or anything. It feels like the epoxy really set. Smell-wise, it just smells like the epoxy. It doesn't stink or have fumes that are coming off of it. So this is a win. I can't believe this works. Like, and I did notice one thing. I'm trying to think what I poured first, because I'm pretty sure I poured the dip powder last, and what happened was, as it was heating, it seemed like the dip powder ended up merging to the tips and the nail polish actually stayed, and the two nail polishes I used actually kind of mixed together, which I'm not mad about, but is something with the chemical reaction I noticed. So the dip powder is definitely heavier than the nail polish, which caused it to sink. But it gave it a cool rock effect, which I'm not mad about, and that's really a cool something I might actually do or try in one of my projects. So this was very fun. What a beautiful piece that you could put on like your bookshelf and stuff, and it looks like crystals. I'm gonna probably soften out the edges a bit here, but other than that, this baby is ready to be sold. I can't believe it. Nail polish and epoxy. Get it. Thank you all for watching. I'm glad that you dropped by. If you want to see more content like this, I'm going to be making way more projects. Also adding 3D print in with some of these projects. So if you want to get in tune, just throw on that subscribe, smash that like for me, and I'll be seeing you around. Lose your mind and find your soul. Have a nice one. Bye. So I just have to share this picture really quick. I'm playing poker while I'm doing this. Oh my goodness, hold on. Don't lose to me. I haven't fooled it. Okay. Anywho, here's the picture. So I attached these crystals to my keyboard, and what a cute fucking addition. Honestly, just a little bit of some hot glue or even tape if you just want it semi-permanent and change it out later. But adding those crystals to my keyboard, now I want to make more crystals and add them to my keyboard. So this is going to become a thing for sure. I had to share this. Just had to share it.